They might look the same on the outside, but a closer look reveals some benefits that you'll want to know about before purchasing your next fuel tank. Follow along as we provide you some tips on upgrading your current fuel tank for use with EFI or replacing it with a modern retrofit EFI conversion tank from Holley. In older vehicles equipped with a carburetor, fuel slosh wasn't an issue during normal driving conditions since there was a decent amount of fuel stored in the carb's fuel bowls. Since most factory tanks had no baffling and the fuel pickup was nothing more than a dip tube pulling fuel from the middle of the tank, the fuel bowls were a lifesaver. Then along comes EFI. Fuel injection requires constant pressure, and when you replace that carburetor with an EFI system, fuel slosh in that old tank can become a problem. EFI conversion tanks use baskets and baffles strategically located within the tank to help control the fuel slosh and keep the fuel pickup point submerged at all times. Holley carries a wide selection of EFI conversion tanks to fit your muscle car needs. The baskets and baffles found in our EFI conversion tanks are critical and help keep air from being sucked in by the pump. Air in the system can cause a drop in fuel pressure, resulting in fuel starvation and creating unnecessary wear on your fuel pump. You can use your stock tank with the factory dip tube and an external fuel pump for an EFI system, but you'll really see the benefits when you use an in-tank fuel pump. Since electric pumps would rather push the fuel than pull it, your pump doesn't have to work as hard. Since the pump is now located in the tank and submerged in the fuel, any heat generated is quickly dissipated, keeping your fuel cooler and extending the life of your fuel pump. Holley also carries EFI modules for a variety of muscle cars and classic vehicles. They replace the factory sending unit in your stock tank and include an EFI-capable fuel pump that's available in 255 and 350 liter per hour flow capabilities. That's enough for power levels up to 550 and 750 horsepower. They incorporate the fuel level sending unit, include a hydromat pre-filter, and are available in return and returnless designs for an easy install. But to get the most out of your EFI system, consider replacing that old beat-up rusty tank and replace it with one of our EFI conversion tanks. They're a high-quality replacement fuel tank designed for use with EFI. With our EFI conversion tanks, you'll get the benefits of internal baffling and an in-tank fuel pump. EFI conversion tanks are available in a variety of flow outputs, including 255, 350, and 400 liters per hour to match your horsepower needs from 550 to 750 horsepower in an EFI system. A fuel level sending unit is also included, and for certain applications, we include the filler neck and mounting straps. Thanks to Holley, whether you want to keep your stock tank or upgrade it with an EFI conversion tank, we have the solutions for your fuel system needs. For more information on our fuel tanks, fuel pickup modules, and fuel system accessories, visit us at holley.com.